Picture this. You're staring up at a sky full of billions of stars in our Milky Way galaxy alone. Isn't it wild to think Earth might be the only place with thinking beings looking back? Two famous ideas help us wrestle with that question: the Drake equation and the Fermi Paradox. In 1961, astronomer Frank Drake created a clever formula to estimate how many alien civilizations we could talk to right now in our galaxy. It's called the Drake equation. It's really just a multiplication problem that helps scientists think step by step about the odds. It starts with how many stars form each year, times the fraction with planets. We now know that's most of them. Times how many could support life, times the chance life actually starts. It happened fast on Earth. Times the odds, life gets intelligent and invents technology to send signals. Times how long those civilizations keep broadcasting before going quiet. Optimistic numbers, thousands of neighbors. Pessimistic, maybe just us.
Where is everybody?
Why the silence? Maybe intelligent life is super rare. One of those fractions is tiny. Or there's a great filter. Some huge catastrophe like war, AI gone wrong, or climate collapse that almost every civilization hits and fails. It could be ahead of us. Scary thought. Or maybe aliens are out there but hiding on purpose. The zoo hypothesis, watching us like animals in a cosmic preserve. Or space is just so huge we haven't overlapped yet. We don't have the answer yet. But SETI keeps listening with giant telescopes, and new ones hunt for signs of life on distant worlds. The Drake equation gives us hope. The Fermi Paradox keeps us humble. Together they remind us the universe is enormous, mysterious, and maybe, just maybe, not so lonely after all. So keep looking up. The answer might be waiting out there,